When you hear a crack of thunder, heavy footsteps, and a creaking door, your mind doesn't wait for a picture. The scene forms instantly. This is the foundation of the audio drama. It is a medium that relies entirely on sound, voices, narration, music, and effects to build the narrative for the listener. Moving from a story to a script requires a shift in layout. We can see the difference here: traditional prose on the left and the script format on the right. Prose describes the world in paragraphs. A script breaks that world into discrete blocks of dialogue, allowing the characters to carry the burden of the story. This format serves as the structural blueprint needed to turn a descriptive story into a performable piece of audio. In this medium, we work with a specific set of auditory tools: voices, narration, sound effects, and music. We discard everything that requires a camera or a stage, like costumes and visual acting. Because scripts are for actors, formatting is precise. Character names are written in all caps to identify cues instantly. Place a colon after the name and drop quotation marks. Without visual expressions, actors rely on question and exclamation marks to communicate intended emotion. These formatting choices are the primary method an author uses to transmit a character's identity and pacing to the person behind the microphone. Avoid silent actions like "he nods." Without sound, the listener hears dead air. The rule is, if they cannot hear it, they cannot know it. Instead, replace visual descriptions with explicit sound effect cues. A silent walk becomes an SFX of footsteps. Try converting this passage yourself. Use the checklist to ensure you've included character names, colons, and sound effects. Pause the video now and take 5 minutes to rewrite this prose as a functional audio script. Removing silent stage directions is what prompts the listener's imagination to fill in the gaps of the scene. In this version, we use a narrator to set the time, a sound effect to replace the visual description of the clock, and capitalized names followed by colons for every line of dialogue. For your final challenge, use these specific constraints to write a script about Rohan and Maya finding a lost set of keys. Remember the distinction. Prose tells the story, the script shows the action through dialogue, and the audio format relies on the listener to imagine the setting. Using these formatting rules ensures that your script is ready for production and focused entirely on the auditory experience. To learn more about the mechanics of different writing formats, like this video and subscribe to the channel.